power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe in Firecracker Red. With steel front bumper, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, Sky one-touch power top, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7336.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.